Let's shoot some video. Oh, neighbor's got a dog. All right, quick video. Okay, let's take a quick tour of 1317 North Palmway. Paver driveway with a one-car carport. Beautiful front yard with palm trees. You have storage underneath the carport, also an entry to the laundry room and the kitchen area. Notice the Bermuda shutters on all the windows. They are real aluminum hurricane storm windows. Inside, very large living room and dining room area. Behind is a family room. Off to the right is the kitchen and the laundry area. Left side, we have the bedrooms and the bathroom. Just became vacant this morning. There's no light bulbs in here, sorry about that. Front bedroom, got an engineered vinyl wood plank floor. One of the air conditioners is here in the hallway. The bathroom, tub window. The other bedrooms have a high ceiling. Nice views of the backyard and the side yard here. Back into the living room and dining room. Large kitchen with all the appliances, range, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave. We have gas here at the property, natural gas, so we have an on-demand water heater and a gas cooktop for the range. Stainless steel sink, custom cabinets, lighting above and below and inside, side-by-side refrigerator. Over here is the laundry room. Behind the screening, there's a second air conditioner for this side of the house, full-size washer and dryer. And then of course the French door going out to the carport and storage out there. Last quick look at the kitchen. Back behind the French doors, we have a very nice family room, also air conditioned. Once again, the Bermuda shutters are hurricane storm shutters. Onto the back deck. We have a vinyl fence around the entire backyard. Let's walk forward and see the outdoor hot and cold running shower. So outside hot and cold shower. Once again, we have natural gas on-demand water heater. Patio area. Nice tropical private backyard. There's another fence in that corner. And then we have the storage shed. Oversized door, looks to be about a 4-foot wide door. And lots of storage in here. And that will conclude our impromptu tour of 1317 North Palmway. Thank you.